How to use FADI suction bowl. FADI is composed of a web-shut bowl and a suction cup, and it has its own exclusive accessories. The giveaway sticky mat allows you to secure FADI on the table. Before you use it, clean the table first. Check the suction cup at the bottom of the bowl. The side groove of the suction cup should be in line with the bottom and the orange latch. Remove the protective film when you use it. Check the suction cup while pressing the center. It's ready to use if it's pressed bouncy. Wipe the suction cup to keep it dry and clean. Put FADI on the table. Hold both sides of FADI with both hands. Keep pressing down and rotate clockwise over 90 degrees. The installation is done. Head a few times and make sure it's locked. How to disassemble and clean. Hold both sides of FADI. Keep pressing down and turn counterclockwise to unlock. Remember to remove the suction cup before cleaning. Move the orange latch away first. Press the button, then use the other hand to rotate the suction cup counterclockwise and take it out. The bowl, lid, cutlery can be washed by dishwasher or by hand. The suction cup just needs to be wiped before you use it. How to install the suction cup. Find the bottom of FADI. Find the side groove beside the bottom, then align the marker line on suction cup with the side groove. Press the button. Put the suction cup into the bottom of bowl. Use the other hand to rotate the suction cup clockwise until the groove aligns with the bottom. Move the latch back to the bottom. Then it's locked. If you use FADI on textured surface, it may not be installed. If you want to use it on textured surface, please use the sticky mat. Remove the film on the bottom. Then stick it on table. Unlock the suction cup before use it. Check the suction cup if the center of suction cup is hard and not bouncy. You need to unlock it first. Look from the side. The suction cup is stand if it's locked, while it's flat when it's ready to use. Hold both sides of the bowl. Keep pressing down and rotate counterclockwise to unlock. Use the way we mentioned earlier to check if the suction cup is unlocked. The final step, press and turn the bowl on the sticky mat to install.